up, guys? Right now it's like 11:30 and I'm very bored, and right now I'm watching American Ninja Warrior, bro. Like, I used to watch this show. I used to watch this a lot.
We don't give a fuck. Jesus. We don't give a fuck.
And I used to like want to do it, but then I was actually like really bad at it. So like I do it at the trampoline parks and shit. And this one, wait, hold on. Wait, homie's doing it right now. So this one, that one, bro, like I do it in my house. And then
basically what I was trying to say in that video was that me and my little sister always wanted to be ninja warriors and stuff. And I have a video of her in our old house, like her trying to do that obstacle.
Bruh.
also don't mind this fucking mess and this.
Hide the money, y'all. There's poor people around. With your broke ass.
Look what I just spotted. Can you even see that? It's a fucking spider.
Oh hell no. But yeah, that spider is fucking creeping me out. I'm very scared of spiders, and I literally just saw this in my room. So
Oh my god! That was real gay, my nigga. Cut that out.
Okay, bro, we're gonna go get a broom. No, I'm sleeping in my fucking room until that shit's dead. Oh, sorry guys. Take this.
What?
Huh?
Time to troll Josie. Sorry about that.
It's the first vlog. It's the first vlog of the microwave.
Get the fuck out.
Bro. I'm gonna kill this fucking spider, bro, but I'm gonna mount this shit so you guys can see that. Alright? Oh! Oh, hell no. Wait, where is it? I think it's... Oh, it's on my fucking room. It's on my room. It's on my room. It's on my...
Yeah, go on, call me a coward. I do not care.
Bro, update. I think the spider... Well, the spider's not there anymore, but I used the broom, and I think it's dead, but it was on the broom, so I had to, like, fucking go like this. But just in case... Oh, I'm leaving that shit there.
But anywho,
like I said, this is the first vlog on the Microwave Gang YouTube channel, but I'm not trying to get like, I'm not trying to be like a serious YouTuber. Literally only doing this for fun because I was really bored and I have nothing else better to do, so I'm like, might as well, you know. And like, what if it ends up blowing up, you know? What if we end up blowing up then? Shit, I mean, fuck. But I'm not expecting that. I'm literally only doing this for fun.
Who would you like to dive with?
do you even lift, bro? Bruh.
Awesome!
Oh, nigga!